This is the unboxing of the iPhone 14 Plus. Coming from the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 12, the main selling point of the 14 Plus is the size of its screen. The screen has a similar size to the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and it also has a much bigger batteries compared to the 13 and the 12. The iPhone 14 Plus has a dual camera system. It has a bigger body, but it doesn't have 3 camera system. You will have 2 camera systems similar to the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 12. The cameras inside the iPhone 14 Plus are an upgrade compared to the iPhone 13. The iPhone 14 Plus has a low light performance improved over the iPhone 13, and also it has a better image stabilization. The iPhone 14 Plus also has 5G connectivity. This is the latest technology of 5G that gives you a faster internet speed. It doesn't have a SIM card tray. The SIM card tray has been removed out of the 14 series compared to the iPhone 13 and the other previous iteration. There is no SIM card. You're going to use only eSIMs. The iPhone 14 Plus also has the ProMotion display that can refresh up to 120 Hz. The box only contains a charging cable, Lightning to USB-C. There is no charger as we know it already, and that's it for the box.